Hey everyone that has one of these SNT Sniclo cars. I have this R27, but I like this car so much I don't want to get this thing all dinged up, driving into walls. So I actually removed the body off of this chassis, and then I 3D printed my own wheels and put tires and built the frame and all that stuff. So this is just going to be for display purposes. I also feel like that wing is too sensitive. Look how small it is for an RC car. So I got the Z body, but as I opened it I realized this thing actually has the camera mount installed, so that's why I'm doing this video. I just assumed it wouldn't have the actual camera mount, so if maybe this will affect your purchasing decision. So it has 3 wires which is weird because I only see 2 on this R27, so I'm not sure what the 3rd wire is for. Interesting, weird. Anyway, so I guess the intention is, you're supposed to basically solder this directly to the board, like this one here. But I have no clue what this white wire would be for. So anyways, it works without it. So I'm just going to see if I can remove this white thing. And I'm just going to try to glue this black one from the R27 in its place. Let's see if they're compatible. Gotta break the glue. You'll see here there's 2 physical pegs, at least there were on this one. But actually, now that I see, there's actually 4 physical pegs. This one only had 2, so that's interesting. I guess they realized maybe 2 wasn't enough. Maybe after enough crashes, the thing would work loose. So anyways, I'm just trying to push those corners a little bit and hope that this glue is rigid and it'll just break. That's how I broke it off the original body. Yeah, I can hear a cracking noise. Maybe a phone tool would be helpful. Let's see. I've got this phone tool here. This body sits mostly flat on this surface, so I think you could push it in the corners. I don't know. No, see, it's bending that. So this is going to require some work. But the problem is I don't want to get rid of those 4 pins because that's what's aligning the thing. I guess I could try to pry it off. No, I think that's going to break it. So now the question is, do I solder those wires? I could do it, but I know that that's a pain, and then maybe some of you guys wouldn't be confident in soldering such thin wires. So I'm going to continue to try to pry this off. I see a little ledge here. Nope, but that thing is firmly glued in place. There's no visible glue though on the pins. So I have a suspicion the actual glue is on the other side of this white piece, bonding to the body. And the problem is I have no idea how much glue there is. Trying to see if I have a better pry tool. No, these are all too soft. Oh, there we go. Alright, so I pushed in the front. For me, that's what worked. And I managed to retain all 4 pins. So you can see here, they did glue it. 1, 2, basically they did glue it in all 4 corners. So, but luckily, as you see, it's rigid. So, and now I can just reuse this one. And I'll just use some school glue. I don't think you need too much glue, to be honest with you, because the magnet, when you put the camera on here, is what sucks it up against the body anyways. So yeah, I'm just gonna use school glue so I can, if I need to break this body off again, I don't have to solder anything. Alright, so let's see, I'll just put a dab here, dab there. this thing up here first. This is a little tricky. It's better to do it from this side, I think. Flip it upside down. Let's see if these pinholes match up. Yeah, they... Oh, I see what's going on. Oh no, I have it backwards. I see. Alright, so learn from my experimentation. There is a lip in this corner, raised, and thenceforth there is a respective cutout to accommodate that lip. I just have to twist these wires a tiny bit, and now I can put it in properly. So this corner. Alright, so still, since those 4 pegs are there, it's not working loose. I think the school glue will be enough. Now would obviously be a good time to maybe remove some cat hair or lint out of your drivetrain. But there, that's it. Oh, maybe this will not fit. Look at this. The battery is too big. The R27 seems to have a much bigger battery than this one. So, yeah, that is bottoming out. So that's interesting. Yeah, the R27 simply has a bigger battery, so this body cannot be used. Alright, so that's a fail on my part. And also, actually, now that I look at it, you know, it still has this central screw hole for that end. But look at this front end. It is a different set of screw holes. It's almost like... No, even these 2 wider screws are not the same spacing as these 2 holes here. So I know this Z has a plastic chassis, not the carbon fiber chassis. And I guess for some reason, yeah, they moved the screw holes around when they designed this chassis. It's different. Alright, well, that's why I use school glue. I'm just gonna have, I don't know what I'm gonna do with this thing. Unfortunately, they don't sell these body kits. They only sell this and a few of the other ones, but so I'm gonna have to wait until I can get a different body kit on this thing. I have the van, the 2011 van, but the nose on the 2011 van is so low it scrapes the floor. So I don't even use that particular model anymore, the 2011 van. Alright, well, quick video, so save your money if you're thinking about doing what I'm doing. Bottom line is, this will not fit the R27 chassis. Alright, the carbon chassis. This Z body will not fit. It is nice though. Yeah. I guess I'm going to have to make a scale model out of this now because I have no purpose for it. So, alright, I'm not going to make a video about that though. Alright, take care guys. See ya.